Hello my friends, how are you today? I hope you're staying safe and you're healthy and well. I know a lot of us are really bored at home. I'm too, can you tell? I'm bringing you this Halloween look to kind of lighten up the atmosphere and get your mind off of whatever is going on right now. So without rambling too much, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing I want to do is use alcohol, and I am going to kind of clean in the area where I'm going to use the glue. I'm using these reusable pads. I get them on Amazon. Now I'm going to wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to use, the next thing I'm going to use is the Elmer's Craft Bond. You can find it at Walmart, Amazon, and so on. And generously, I'm going to literally go in and apply it all over, like saturate your brows really nicely. All I'm doing it is brushing it up. My eyebrows are not that thick. I don't have that much hair, so I need probably just 2 layers and I will be done. This is my second coat. Then you gotta let it dry. If you're in a rush and you want it to dry quicker, you can use a hairdryer on a cool setting and it will speed up the process. Okay, so the next one is to use a concealer. Today I'm going to be using the Temptu wheel. I'm gonna go into this. The creamier the concealer, the better. With my Sigma P87, I am just going to generously apply it all over. Here we go. And then the next is to apply powder. For the powder, I'm gonna be using the Airspun. Just gonna press it in. I'm gonna go in again. Top it off. We're gonna put a lot of powder on top. Just powder it up. For the foundation today, I'm going to be using MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade C40. Now, before I apply that, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Primed and Poreless to kind of smooth out my pores and the texture. Now, my face always looks whiter than my body simply because I self-tan, and also I exfoliate my face once in a few days, so self-tanning products don't last on my face. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to map it out the way I want the yin yang to go. The black side, I'm gonna use the Milani Stay Put waterproof eyeliner. I love this eyeliner because it's super soft. You don't have to put a lot of pressure to get the color in, and it's so dark. So it will definitely help on tracing and see how I want to do it. Now, of course, you can do all that mapping with the brush and the watercolors from the kit, because actually the brushes that come in the kit are pretty handy. I don't know, I feel more confident on doing it with a pan. Now, all I'm gonna do right now is just fill in everything with black. Now, if you want to get yourself a kit like this, I will leave it down below. I got it on Amazon. It was ridiculously cheap, so. And I am going to do the same thing on the other side, but flipped and white. So let's get into it. Now, I don't think this is going to be very safe for the eyes. However, here's what we're gonna do. I don't have a white mascara, so we're just gonna do this. Just cover it all up in white. Actually, this palette dries out really quickly. Now, of course, if you have Halloween lashes that aren't white, that will work right now. I don't have them, so we're just gonna create them. I'm gonna let it dry. While that is drying, I don't think this is very eye safe, so I'm not going to take the chance. So the next thing, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Pro Pigment Pomade in white and with Sigma L06. I love this brush because it's so thin, so it's wonderful for a detailed job. So all I'm gonna do is, in the black area, I'm gonna add white in the waterline. Now the next step is I'm going to coat my eyelashes with white pomade from the same Profusion. For the mascara, I'm gonna use the Thrive Cosmetics. Easiest way to apply the lashes. You just put a coat along the lash line. There you go, my friends. And then just add your lashes and on top and you are good to go. So the next thing I'm gonna do is try to connect the yin and the yang around and try to put them in a circle. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we're gonna try right now. Dotting the area. I am going to paint my lips half white and half black. Alright guys, I do want to add a little bit of cheekbone, so I'm gonna go and use the Sigma Sculpt palette in the shade Hollow. And this is it guys, let me know what you want me to create next in the comments. Other than that, I love you all and I'll see you on my next one.